Hi everyone, this is Lizzie and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, we are going to pot the very little and tiny variegated Gymnocalycium that I bought from a seller na hindi ko talaga siya nire-recommend sa inyo. Bukod sa super liit ng mga variegated Gymnocalycium na I was not expecting that this kind or this tiny it is napaka-dehydrated pa ng mga variegated gymnocalycium and maraming lupang kasama. So, parang in-uproot din, chinip, ganon. So, I will be potting them, most of them in this pot na dating pinagtataniman ng litops. Kung nakikita nyo, napakagulo ng pot na to. It's because the housebird keeps on playing on this pot. Kasi yung mga succulents na nilagay ko dito is maliliit lang, Capitopetalum mendozae and Mirini. And the soil was very dry and they love playing on this spot. Kaya inalis ko dito yung litops and tinransfer ko sa another white pot. Na-vlog ko na rin yun. You can check my previous vlog. But I'm going to retain this one cactus na nandito sa side. And then, I'm going to put back this cactus na dehydrated na din siya. But first, before we put it on the pot, we have to clean it up para malinis naman siya and magandang tignan. And then, I'm going to put back and clean up this ornament na mushroom house. And I'm going to use cultured soil as a top dressing. Pero, bago ko ilagay yung cultured soil, I wanted to put akadama soil dun sa pop ng potting mix natin. I bought this akadama soil in Lazada. Yung pangalan ng store is Shopleaf. I think it's around 199 per pack. 1.7 grams na siya. It's quite expensive kasi you have to pay also the shipping fee. But na-observe ko compared sa cultured soil, mas madaling kumapit yung akadama soil sa root part ng variegated Gymnocalycium kesa sa cultured soil. So, yung sinishare ko sa inyo guys is my experience. And I think it is best to use for me akadama soil para mas madali sila mag-roots kaysa sa cultured soil. Cultured soil is an effective potting mix then for making the variegated Gymnocalycium to produce more roots. But in my experience, or for me, akadama is much better to use kung gusto mong kumapit talaga yung soil doon sa variegated or Gymnocalycium or doon sa may mismong root part niya. So, mas ihinta kasi yung akadama soil lalo na pag na-wet na siya and then nag-cling na siya dun sa root part ng variegated Gymnocalycium, mas hindi siya natatanggal. So, sa akin, mas parang mas effective sa akin ang akadama. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, sinishare ko kung ano yung na-experience ko. Kung sa inyo ay mas nag-work ang cultured soil, it's fine. So, use yung mga top dressing. Actually, marami naman tayong choices ng top dressing na pwedeng gamitin. So, gamitin natin kung ano yung nag-work sa atin, kung ano yung best para sa mga plants natin. So, why I'm potting them in one big pot? It's because they are very tiny. As in, super duper liit na parang hindi worth it yung binayad ko na 850 dito sa mga variegated Gymnocalycium na to. And I'm very disappointed because maliit na nga, dehydrated pa. So, I have to pot them in one big pot para after ko silang ipat na hindi ko talaga nakaugalian o ginagawa na i-moist sila after ipat. But this time, I have to do that. I have to moist or kailangan ko silang diligan kasi baka matuyo na talaga sila and hindi sila makasurvive. Kaya kailangan ko silang diligan after ko silang ipat. That is also the reason why I use akadama soil as top dressing sa kanila kasi mas mabilis kakapit yung akadama soil dun sa root part nila at baka mas mabilis sila mag-roots kung akadama soil yung gagamitin ko. So, I was saving this akadama soil kasi quite pricey nga siya. Lalo na online ko siya binibili and I have to pay SF2 so additional cost talaga sa part ko. Pero wala akong choice I have to use this akadama soil as top dressing for this pot. Kung gusto ko makasurvive yung mga variegated Gymnocalycium na to. Actually, walang problema sa variegation ng variegated Gymnocalycium kasi it's pretty colorful but you cannot really appreciate the colorfulness of this variegated Gymnocalycium because they are very dehydrated and they are very tiny. So, ilagay na rin natin dito sa pot na to yung babies na tinanggal ko before na nagaling dun sa multicolor gymno na binili ko naman from Jackie Potter. So, after putting them on the akadama soil, yung top dressing na gagamitin ko naman to fill up yung mga empty spaces is I'm going to cover it up with cultured soil. And then, katulad nga na sinabi ko, we have to moist or kailangan ko ng diligan. Actually, hindi ko siya minoist. Diniligan ko talaga yung variegated gymnocalcium after ko silang ipat kasi gusto ko silang i-hydrate. Kasi nga, very, very dehydrated sila. So, I was afraid na baka hindi sila makasurvive. So, I watered them. I didn't moist them, but I watered them. So, merong ilang piraso na hindi na nagkasya dun sa pot. So, I will show you how will they look like if I pot them in a 3x3 white pot. So, na-prepare ko na yung white pot. Same procedure ang gagawin ko, yung usual potting mix. And then, top with akadama soy. And then, yun nga, kung nakita nyo din sa video ko kanina, lahat ng variegated gymnocalcium bago ko sila ipot dun sa big pot, tinrim ko yung roots. Kasi nga, hindi na nagawa ni seller na mag-trim ng roots. And, yun nga, may lupa pa yung pinadala niya na variegated gymnocalcium. And then, ayan yung itsura niya pag pinat ko siya sa 3x3 na white pot. So, kita nyo, super liit. Tapos, kung didiligan mo yan, ma-overwater yan. Baka nga, imbis na ma-hydrate mo, ma-overwater mo, malusaw na. So, for this pot, I'm going to moist lang. Hindi ko sila didiligan. I'm just going to wet yung mismong variegated gymnocalcium and the akadama soil around it. So, para maging moist, para ma-hydrate yung variegated gymnocalcium na super, super, duper liit talaga. Grabe, hindi ako makamove on sa nabili kong to. So, it's time to moist them. So, we're finally done potting this little tiny small, I don't know how to describe them, but they are very, very, very small variegated gymnocalcium. Enjoy watching! So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like my sharing for today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless us all. Bye.